Hey everybody, it's Everett back with you from Hood Time Welding. Today we're going to be working on this chute. It's for straw shredder. So as you can see on the end here, this is all mangled up. So what we're going to have to do is cut it off. I have the template for the gasket that goes in between the two pieces. So we'll use that to cut out a new piece. But like I said, we'll have to cut this off. There's some spots on the side here where we're going to have to reinforce, because it's rotted out, so we'll get that done. So anyways, if you like my content, please go ahead and if you like my content, please go ahead and subscribe and follow. Thanks, and let's get going on this. So I got ahead of myself a little bit. What I actually needed to do was, where it was all rusted out, I had to add in some pieces like we were talking about, but I think it's better to add it in now than later. You saw me grinding on the inside, and what that was for is I wanted to grind that inside welds where the metal was eaten back some, because what happens is if I don't, when stuff's shooting in here, it's just going to peel that metal back to where that weld is. So I wanted to get this all welded so stuff will just go by smoothly and won't peel this metal back where it was thinner and it was eaten back some, like especially you can see it right in this corner. Because like I said, stuff will just tend to get caught in there and just pull and pull and pull until it's just going to peel it back. So that's why I welded it, and then I smoothed it off so stuff has a nice clean surface to get shot up through there. So we'll go ahead and I'll actually do the flange part this time. So let's go. So here's the finished product. As you can see, I welded inside and out. Again, we want a nice seal there. You can see she's got a nice smooth bore, so that way anything that's being thrown up can not catch on anything. So again, I hope you liked the video. I know it was just a small repair and everything, but Don't forget to subscribe and follow. Thanks.